Here I have ZYREX ZA987. Let me show you how to enable here the Google backup on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Choose here settings, scroll down to the personal tab and select backup and reset. As you can see here, you can enable backup my data by using that switcher. So let me do it. Now you need to add the backup account. So let me tap on backup account, choose add account. It's important to have the internet access, and you can use the existing Google account or you can create a new one. In my case, let me use the existing one. Let's just simply enter the email. Alright, now it's time to enter the password. If you are ready, let's choose next right here. Tap OK to agree to terms and conditions. The device is signing in. Let me try again. Maybe something was wrong with my password. Alright, if you are ready, let's choose next again. Tap OK. Alright, here we've got a couple of information about the backup and restore. Let's tap next. And you just enable backup my data and add necessary backup account, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.